Good evening, guys. It's currently 8:30 p.m. on Bitcoin. You can see that we are creating a more, how do I say it? A plus setup version of my previous trades, which is an SFP setup. Let me just zoom out for you guys. Starting on a 4 hour, we basically have loads of confluence. We have a daily, which is a close and open of two daily candles. You can see we got a close and an open there at the exact same space, and it hasn't been tapped yet, meaning price hasn't tapped into it yet, meaning it's going to get tapped, or if it's near, chances are it's going to get tapped. Anyway, you put the line there, you name it daily, go to the 4 hour. You can see you got the daily there, and you also have loads of confluence here. We got the fib extension from this low to that high dragged across. You get these levels. We have the 1-to-1 there, which, as you can see, I have named it 1-to-1. You can see it. And then from this move, you can see we have from the bottom to the top, so back to the bottom. You can see that we have the 1-to-2, which is an important level as well. All these levels marked here are very important. Then you have to find like levels of confluence. Like as you can see, we have the 2 there, we have the larger 1, we have a daily there, as you can see, which we have tapped, got a liquidity sweep above it. We have the 1-to-1, the 1.236. Loads of confluence going on here. As you can see, we got rejected. So it's playing out. However, this is the kind of sharp reaction I want. It's a confirmation, basically saying we could go lower. But we just need to wait for that retracement, possibly to the daily. Got that golden pocket there, which is where price likes to come to the most, hence why it's called the golden pocket. And it's looking like an overnight trade, can't lie. But we'll see what time. It's 8:40 now. When it gets to around 10, we can see if we can move up to the 0.5 or the 618. But it's gonna be too late by then. So I don't know. We'll just see what happens. If we get that retracement, I want to basically see this price start moving up. Rejection, get that 618 liquidity sweep dancing around, then we can come down. But we are in an uptrend, so if we get that retracement down, bearing in mind this is on the 3 minute, if we get that retracement back up to the golden pocket, we could look for that next leg down, possibly to the 382. As of now, I have to go shower. I always say that, but I do. So cool. Good morning, my people. Dem. It's currently 9:06 a.m. As you can see, price just before I fell asleep, or whilst I was asleep, you can see that price went and kind of followed my prediction, nearly touching the golden pocket. However, we SFP'd from this blue line, as well as the 0.5. We can see we got above it, but we failed to stay above, broke back below, retested it, and we started moving down. If I played out this trade, say we got the rejection, I'm back underneath the 0.5, and then the retest, rejecting, stop loss above that high, another SFP just above the golden pocket, take profit. Well, I'd still be in profit, but it just looks too choppy right now. I mean, we haven't really done anything, so I guess you can't win them all, innit? Even if I was aiming for a 1-to-2, the price would have to come claim this low. But I mean, still in it until we're not. So I'll update you guys in a second. As you can see on my trade, which I did not take, of course, I hit 1-to-2. See, price was dancing around, but eventually we did come and claim this low. As you can see here, that low with the blue line got claimed eventually. The trade would have been a 1-to-2 in about 14 hours, mostly overnight, and then a little bit in the day. The entry was actually at 11. So if I had stayed up a bit later, I probably could have caught this trade. However, it's all right. We just move on to the next. Just a little update. We got a nice SFP I know there's a lot going on, but we got the SFP, which is basically a liquidity sweep above these lines here. Got the daily, you got the SFP line. Basically, I'm waffling at the moment, but we also got Fibonacci retracement all the way up. We couldn't touch the 0.618, the golden pocket, but we successfully SFP'd off of the 0.5, which is good enough. And as you can see, we rejected all the way to 40p. So yeah, all in all, I still got it, but it's a journey. Let's just say, I still got to place the trades, and then I have to make sure I don't blow my account because I'm very that close to blowing it. So I need to risk very little and this and that. But now I need to wait for just another A plus setup, really. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Wasn't that much of a special video. I didn't make any money. I just basically forward tested my own strategy, and it worked. Always good to see that happen, you know. But peace out. Goodbye.